Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 765, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of quinazoline alkaloids. Actually, quinazoline is the nucleus where two of the aromatic rings are fused. One is 6-member and the other one where two nitrogen is there, and that is called quinazoline. And when this quinazoline nucleus is linked to alkaloid, that is called quinazoline alkaloid. And quinazoline alkaloid is having lot of medicinal importance in Indian system, and this alkaloid is isolated from the plant leaf known as Vasaka, and that is grown in Himalayan plain, having the height more than 4,000 feet, and it is also cultivated in Malaysia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And this plant leaf is rich in this alkaloid, quinazoline alkaloid. And in India, this Vasaka plants, a leaf, flower and bark, root, all are used. And in Indian system it is very popular, and in India it is known as Gulkand. And Gulkand leaves, Gulkand flower, all this it is mentioned. And in Indian system of Ayurveda, it has lot of medicinal uses. First, it is widely used in chronic ulcer and in bile ulceration where bleeding is there. It can stop the bleeding, and also it is used in chronic asthma, chronic bronchitis, cough, whooping and cold. And even in India, the people, they smoke the leaves to control the asthma. And these alkaloids are there here. That is quinazoline, and these two nucleus where benzoyl nucleus where two nitrogen groups are there, and it has the molecular formula C8H6N2, and the next, that is vicecin. Vicecin is very effective and active to control the ulceration, bleeding and also in asthma. And it contains this is your quinazoline nucleus with two nitrogen, and the formula is C11H12N2O. And the next one is, that is keto group is there, and because of keto group it is called vesicinone. Lone means keto group, and it has molecular formula C11H10N2O2. And the next one is, that is called 6-hydroxy. At 6th position there is hydroxy group, so it is called hydroxy vicecin, and its molecular formula is C11H12N2O2. And this quinazoline, all these four alkaloids, they are found in Athatoda vesica niche, that is the botanical name, and Indian name is called Gulkand, and it belongs to family Acanthaceae. So here number one, that is Vasaka. Vasaka is common name, English name. It is given everywhere, and in India it is called Gulkand. It consists of the fresh or dried leaves of Anthatoda is the botanical name, Anthatoda vasica. and it is cultivated in the plains of Himalaya up to the height uh, up to the height up to the height 4,000 to 5,000 feet, and it is also found in Sri Lanka, Burma, Malaysia. The plant is evergreen shrub reaching a height of 5 to 8 feet, and leaves are collected throughout the year and used both fresh and dried. So, quinazoline alkaloids. And number 2, Vasaka leaves contain crystalline bitter alkaloids like vesicine, vesicinone, 6-hydroxy-vesicine. All these structures are already given, and I have already discussed the position of nitrogen hydroxy group in those structures. And these alkaloids are all known as quinazoline alkaloid derivatives, and these quinazoline derivatives, they are known as quinazoline alkaloid. And Vasaka leaves also contain volatile oil which is used as expectorant. And number 3, Vasaka leaves are very famous for its anti-ulcer properties, and it plays very important role in reducing ulcers and sores in various parts of body. So in India especially, this Vasaka leaves or even flower, fruit, root, bark, all parts are used to treat ulcers, chronic ulcers, piles, and also asthma, bronchitis. It also helps in treating bleeding disorders and offers a patent remedy for peptic and duodenal ulcers. And number 4, in Indian medicinal applications, Vasaka leaves, bark, the root bark, the fruit and flowers are used in the removal of intestinal parasites also. And Vasaka herb is used in India for treating cold, bronchitis, particularly it is used to treat cold, cough and chronic asthma. And I have already told you that some of the Indians, they even use this Vasaka leaves to smoke it to control asthma condition. And its Indian name I have already told you in the beginning, that is Gulkand. So these are all very, very important medicinal properties of this alkaloid, that is called your quinazoline alkaloids, and they are all very, very important from medicinal point of view. So, quinazoline alkaloids are, very important in Indian system of Ayurveda and Unani, and this Vasaka leaves are used in different treatments. And in India it is well known, Gulkand leaves or Gulkand flower or Gulkand bark they are using especially to treat ulcer. So with this I will stop, and my request to all pharmacy and chemistry students that they should watch and copy down all these structures and properties, because they are very important type of alkaloids. I am discussing with different type of nucleus like indole, quinazole, then again piperine, and then tobacco alkaloids, pyridine nucleus. So all these are very, very important to understand, and with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.